Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by arranging your workspace so your eyes are already advantaged. Position the screen so the top edge is at your eye line and tilt it back 15 to 20 degrees. This reduces glare and neck strain. Once done, lower brightness to match ambient light, about 50–70% as a starting point, because too bright screens force squinting. Finally, enable blue light reduction or warm color mode for late hours. Doing this early prevents cumulative strain and improves sleep later. Now you refine what you see and how you work. Increase text size and contrast so you read comfortably without leaning forward. This reduces accommodative stress on the eyes. Make sure you follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This relaxes focusing muscles. Also, adjust room lighting and add an anti-glare filter if reflections persist. Because consistent glare and high contrast transitions fatigue the visual system over time. To complete the routine, build daily habits that sustain eye comfort. Blink more often and consider a humidifier or preservative-free artificial tears if your eyes feel dry. Dry eyes are a common, fixable cause of discomfort. Take a 10 to 15-minute break every 2 hours to move and let your eyes rest. Short naps of focus relief pay dividends. If pain, persistent blurred vision, or headaches continue, see an eye care professional for an exam and corrective lens or ergonomic recommendations. Don't ignore ongoing symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.